Oh my gosh, so this is the time that I took my son to see the monster truck show, and this is how it went. Most of the little kids had on headphones due to the echo of the trucks, so we tried to put some headphones on baby boy's ears, but as you can see, he just was into it and really did not care. Here we were getting closer to intermission, and they were throwing t-shirts into the crowd, so of course his auntie Anna stood up to try and catch a t-shirt. Soon after, they kicked the lights back off, and here I liked her glow-in-the-dark outfit as I felt it was a really nice touch to the show and the kids loved it. This was one of many of Baby Boy's favorite parts of the show, where they had a truck come out and pretty much transform into a fire-breathing dragon. There's Auntie Me hyping up her nephew for a dance battle. There's a few of those you'll be seeing.
Is that? Oh, that's cool. That's actually cool. Let's go. Let's go, Bussy, go. Go, Bussy, go. Go. Shake it all night. Go.
In this part, we had just gotten back from intermission, and I didn't really record that because it was packed. So here Baby Boy was trying to multitask when watching the show and playing with his toy truck that he got during intermission, which also was a replica of one of the trucks on the floor.
Get up, sir. Get up.
He was obsessed with the motorcycles. Although I will say the tricks they were doing were cool, but they also kind of had me on edge. Hopefully he doesn't get any ideas. The show was getting ready to end, so they played a quick song for the kids, which they loved. And not just them, of course.
They have all the adults dancing. Hold on.
This particular part, Baby Boy was specifically interested in, as we were on intermission of the scene himself, just in toy form. And this is the end of the video. It was a really good experience. Baby Boy loved it, and we will definitely be doing it again. Let me know of any tips or tricks when bringing toddlers to see the trucks, and we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Talk soon. Bye!